the new topic is set theory. What is the set? A set is a well-defined collection of the objects. The objects are called elements of member of a set. Suppose the set of group of player in a cricket team. This is a well-defined element of set. But the star in the sky is not well-defined. This is not a set. It is clear? Well-defined collection of objects is known as set. The set theory deals with operation between, relation among, and statement about sets. The notation of set. Generally, the set is denoted by capital letter and its element is denoted by a small letter or lowercase. Suppose A is the element, A belong to small a belong to capital A, it means A is the element of set A. It is clear? Quantity of set, it means the number of element in a set. Representation of set. Set are represented in two types. First is the roster form or tabular form. In this and second one is the set builder form. Roster form. In the roster form, it is generally if every element of set is denoted by 1 by 1, it is the roster form. If every element of set is denoted by 1 by 1, separated by the comma in the curly bracket, is known as the roster form. It is clear? For example, if the letter of the address is right in the set form, then how many letters in the address? First is A, second one is D, third is R, then E and S. These are 5 letters in set. So first we denoted A, after then comma D, after then comma R, then comma E and S. Repetition is set is not allowed. If the repetition of the set is not allowed, if the two elements, similar element are in a set that belong only one element, repetition is not allowed. It is clear? Then each different element denoted by the, separated by the comma and represent in the curly bracket is known as the set in roster form. Second one is the set builder form or property method or rule method. In this way, the element of set is defined by the property. For example, the set of all the even prime number is denoted by written in the set form. So S is the set such that X is a even prime number. This is the property form or rule method or set builder method. In this method, the element of set is defined by the any property or any definition or any rule. It is clear, everyone? This is the set builder method. Now some question will come in the word file. The first one, write the given set in the tabular form. This is the property method and rewrite in the set tabular form. Tabular form it means each element simplify and rewrite one by one each element in the curly bracket. This is the tabular, that is the tabular form. So first we solve the equation, the given equation. X is equal to given equation X is equal to 5 and minus 6. Now the value where n is equal to integer and the value of integer is minus 4 to 4. Now put This is take equation first. Put n is equal to -4, comma -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in equation 1. In equation 1, then we get let's suppose put x is equal to -4, n is equal to -4, n is equal to -4, then x is equal to 5 into -4 -6, then 5 4 ja 20 -20 -6, then the value is equal to -26. First we put the value n is equal to -4, then -20 -6 -26. Now n is equal to -3, then x is equal to 5 -3 -6 is equal to -50 -6 is equal to -21. It is clear? Now if n is equal to -2, put n is equal to -2, then 5 into -2 -6 is equal to -15 -6 is equal to -10 -6 is equal to -16. Now n is equal to -1, put n is equal to -1, then 5 into -1 -6 is equal to -5 -6 is equal to -11. Now n is equal to 0, then 5 into 0 -6 is equal to -6. Now n is equal to 1, then 5 into 1 -6 is equal to 5 minus 6 is equal to minus 1. N is equal to 2. Then 5 into 2 minus 6 is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. Now n is equal to 3. Then 5 into 3 minus 6 is equal to 15 minus 6 is equal to 9. Now n is equal to 4. Now n is equal to 4. Then 5 into 4 minus 6 is equal to 20 minus 6 is equal to 40. Now the value of the given set is the value is minus 26 comma minus 21, then minus 16, then minus 11, then minus 6, then minus 1, then 4, then 9, then 14. The value of tabular form. Set in tabular form. It is clear, everyone? Answer. Now second one question. Given x is equal to x is equal to 6n minus 2n. Put the value of n. This is the equation first. Taking the equation 1. Now put n is equal to minus 5 comma minus 4 comma minus 3 comma minus 2 minus 1 0 1, 2, 3. If n is equal to -5, then x is equal to 6 minus 2 into -5 is equal to 6 minus minus plus 10 is equal to 16. If n is equal to -4, then x is equal to 6 minus 2 into -4 is equal to 6 minus minus plus 4 to the 8 is equal to 14. If n is equal to -3, then x is equal to 6 minus 3, 6 minus 2 into -3 is equal to 6 minus minus plus 3 to the 6. Then value is 12 is equal to 12. If n is equal to -2, then x is equal to 6 minus 2 multiply -2 is equal to 6 minus minus plus 2 to the 4, then the value is equal to 6 plus 4, 10. If n is equal to -1, then x is equal to 6 minus 2 into -1 is equal to 6 minus minus plus 2 2 ja 2 1 ja 2 is equal to 8. If n is equal to 0, then x is equal to 6 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. If n is equal to 1, then x is equal to 6 minus 2 multiply by 1 is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. If n is equal to 2, then x is equal to 6 minus 2 into 2 is equal to 6 minus 2 to the 4 is equal to 2. If n is equal to 3, then x is equal to 6 minus 2 into 3 is equal to 6 minus 2 3 the 6 is equal to 0. You see that the value of n is the integer form between minus 5 to 3, then the value of n is minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Put in the equation x equal to 6 minus 2 and then we find the different value of x. Now these value put in the set, then we find the set in tabular form. Set in tabular form. Put the value of different value. The first value is 16, comma 14, comma 12, comma 10, comma 8, comma 6, comma 4, comma 2, comma 0. This is the set in the tabular form. इसके लिए this is the second answer. This one is the first answer. Now simplify. Next question. X is equal to now x is equal to x such that x belong to n 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Now find the is represent into set tabular form. So tabular form it is simplified first. This is the quadratic equation and simplify by the middle factor. Now the given x square this is the quadratic equation and simplify by the break to the middle part. Two x square 2 x square minus 2 1 ja 2. First we multiply first and last part and the addition equal to the middle part. So 2 plus 1 multiply 2 and the sum is 3. Then 3 is break by 2 plus 1. 2x plus 1x break it close plus 1 is equal to 0. Now simplify 2x square 2x square minus 2x minus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now simplify, taking 2x common 2x from the first two term, then the bracket remaining x minus 1 bracket close, in the next two term common minus 1 bracket start, in the bracket x minus 1 remaining x minus 1 bracket close is equal to 0. Now x minus 1 is common to the whole equation, then x minus 1 is common from whole equation, then the remaining value is 2x minus 1 bracket close is equal to 0. Now simplify, this is the factor of the given equation. Take first factor, if x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 1. And taking the second factor, if 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, then x is equal to the value is minus 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. Now the value is, what is the value of given question? X is the natural number. A natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this is the, what is the, in the both, what is the natural number? 1. 1 by 2 is the fraction in the real number. Then the value of the, in the tabular form, set in the tabular form is x is equal to 1 and 1 by 2. Then the set in the tabular form is only 1, because natural number and 1 by 2 is not a natural number. The value is 1. Is clear, everyone? Now the last part of the question is simplified. It is an integer. Then find the value of the x. First we simplify this equation. Given x square plus 5x is 0. Now simplify, taking the common x from the both the term, taking x is common to the both the term, then x is common, in the bracket remaining x plus 5 bracket close, is equal to 0. Now the value of x is equal to 0 comma minus 5, and set tabular form is 0. Both are the integer, then the answer is 0 and minus 5. 0 comma minus 5 is the answer of the given set. It is clear, everyone? Now the first part, the first question based on the tabular form. Tabular form means each the given question in the property form change into the tabular form by the simplification of the equation. It is clear? Now we come in the second question. In the set builder form. Set builder form, it means the property form or the rule method. This now the individual value are given. Now we in the write down in the set builder form or property form. The first question is the set of whole number. The set of whole number, it means write down in the property form. First we start the curly bracket x such that x is a whole number. Whole number. It is clear? The solution is the x is equal to the whole number. Write down in the property form. It means x, we start the common variable is x, and x such that the symbol is the such that it means x is a whole number. It is clear, everyone? Now start the second question. Second part is the given three